Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rido Saputra and my partner is Muhammad Lutfi Hamzah. Thank you Hairul Akhtar and Eki Saputra. We are from Islamic State University of Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau, Indonesia. Thanks to everyone who has give me a chance to present my paper. And the title is of Analysis of Risk Management for Information System Security of Basnas Riau using Failure Mode and Effect Analysis Method, or FMEA. And this present has 4 points. And number 1 is introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Number 1, introduction. Indonesia is a country with the largest Muslim population in the world. The number of practice of worship in Islam may affect several things. Example, zakat. The Zakat Management Law number 23 of 2011 states that zakat management is carried out by the National Zakat Amil Body and Zakat Amil Institution. Zakat Amil Institution, or Basnas, is a zakat management organization formed by the government. However, the use of the system sometimes encounters shortcomings, especially when inputting zakat data that you want to enter into the system. Another problem that hinders work is the use of a long and less than optimal time. The process of inputting data into Simba was also found to take a long time, resulting in system error or slow processing. This obstacle is sometimes even more difficult when human error also occurs. Therefore, it is necessary to find a way to make the Basnas system management work more efficient and effective. The system design is expected to help zakat manager in distribution to mustahik so that it's run quickly and smoothly. Number 2 is methodology. The flow of research can be said as the steps they are faced when conducting research. This research begins by analyzing the existing information system at Basnas Riau using a flowchart diagram. The diagram is obtained from existing process where the data obtained is the required research information. The data obtained is then analyzed for any potential failure, brainstorming, or looking for strength and weakness in the organization or system. The next step is analysis of the cause of severity, occurrence, and detection of a list of potential failure. After all the severity, occurrence, and detection are obtained, it will be converted into ordinal scale to calculate the RPN, or risk priority number. This step produces risk priorities from the result on the RPN calculation. After the level of severity, occurrence, and detection of the risk is measured, then process with compiling risk priorities starting from the highest risk to the lowest risk. The highest and lowest priorities found become the basis for making recommendations in overcoming the risk that may occur so that the Riau Basnas system runs smoothly in the future. And number 3 is result and discussion. After analyzing the Basnas system by looking directly at the system and observing the flowchart and executive document or data, the next step is formulate a list of potential failures that may occur during brainstorming. Direct interview with Basnas Riau were also conducted to explore more lists of potential failure that might occur. Have 5-point failure mode. Number 1 is hardware failure. Number 2 is software. Number 3 is human error. Number 4 is data, and number 5 is network. RPN calculation, the step taken after the potential failure is obtained is to calculate the RPN obtained by multiplying the severity, occurrence, and detection. There's 3 parameters, and the RPN value are used as the basis for priorities risk from highest to lowest. And risk priorities table You can see is failure mode the highest from the severity occurrence and detection calculate that have been done. It is found 5 RPN value are generated. Of the 5 produced, there are 5 category of RPN level. And number 1 is very high level with 216, high level with 160, medium level with 70, 56, and low level with 14. A total of 5 RPN that have been generated will selected based on the high value or high level to the low level. The table above shows that high risk priority in the data failure mode, while the lowest risk priority is in the people-human error. The next step is provide recommendation based on consideration of the problem or risk analysis that has been obtained from calculation of the RPN and risk priorities table. After the calculation of RPN and the risk priorities that have been obtained, the next step is to provide recommendation so that the use of existing system and process at Basnas can run better and without obstacle. The recommendations are present in the table. Number 1 is data, and the risk is cybercrime, and the recommendation is installing a firewall application on every computer that access the system. And number 2 is software, and the risk is system failure, and recommendation is using the last software or up to date and original. And number 3 is hardware, and the risk is computer damage, and recommendation is routine hardware checks and hardware maintenance. And number 4 is network loss and the risk is lost connection, and recommendation have a backup network. And the 5 is people or human error, and the risk is human error. Recommendation provision of employee training so that they are able to understand the system so that it's easier to access it. And the last is conclusion. From this research, obtain 5 recommendations for Basnas Riau, which include installing a firewall application on each computer to prevent cybercrime, installing the last and original software, performing routine hardware check and hardware maintenance, and editing a backup network in case of network loss, and provide the training for employees so that they understand the system well so that is easier to access. The result of this recommendation can be reference for Basnas to evaluate system and process with the company in order to facilitate work and minimize risk or system failure. I think this all of my present. Sorry for my mistake, and thanks to listen me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.